Welcome to Bicol University, my dear freshmen. You have now entered a new and exciting phase of your life. You are leaving behind all the familiar things of your childhood and teenage years. You are entering a world where your character, discipline, and intellect will be further developed and challenged. Here at Bicol University, we make sure that you imbibe the core values of leadership, service, scholarship, and character. As you live within the confines of this great academic institution, you have been doubly blessed because you have chosen Bicol University, the premier university in the Bicol region that offers quality tertiary education. Guided by our vision of world-class university producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development, we endeavor to mold each one of you into productive and responsible scholars who would one day become leaders with a passion for change and service in your respective fields. With the great privilege and blessing of a Bicol University quality education, you too must be aware at this early stage of the great responsibility that comes with this privilege. To whom much is given, much is expected. Along with your mentors and professors, we hope you will rise up to the challenge of using the quality education that Bicol University can provide to become quality students who will later on exemplify the core values of Bicol University. Enjoy the moment and savor the advantage of being a member of the Bicol University official family. Make the most of your stay here and create wonderful moments and memories in every nook and corner of Bicol University. As your president and surrogate father, I welcome you all to Bicol University.